I'm Nancy Robinson from Irving, Kentucky. I'm here at the Red River Outpost Wellness Center, and it is wonderful. I'm so glad a friend talked me into coming because I have felt better than I've felt in years. The staff here are absolutely wonderful. They are kind, they're professional, they know what they're doing, and they've helped me tremendously. I'm very happy to know them and very proud of this place.
We're going to put it in a very hot pan with no oil, and you do one side, 1 minute per side. It starts to bubble up. You'll see it starts puffing up. Some peppers on.
I would definitely recommend the Red River Lifestyle Center to anyone who's got any kind of condition and needs to come. And it's just nice to be here in this beautiful valley and the beautiful facilities. And I think that you'll be glad that you did. You'll get to feeling better, and the Lord will bless you for being here.